Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about TransUnion's credit score range. I know this can be a confusing topic, so I'm going to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. But before we get into the specifics, let's start with a question. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. It's based on your credit history, which includes your payment history, the amount of debt you have, and the types of credit you have. Credit scores are used by lenders to determine your risk of defaulting on a loan. The higher your credit score, the lower your risk, and the more likely you are to be approved for a loan with favorable terms. So, what does TransUnion's credit score range mean? TransUnion's credit score range is from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. Here's a breakdown of what each credit score range means. 300 to 579, poor credit. 580 to 669, fair credit. 670 to 739, good credit. 740 to 799, very good credit. 800 to 850, excellent credit. So, how can you improve your credit score? There are a few things you can do to improve your credit score. Pay your bills on time and in full. This is the most important thing you can do to improve your credit score. Keep your credit balances low. The lower your credit balances, the better your credit score will be. Don't open too many new credit accounts. Opening too many new credit accounts can hurt your credit score. Check your credit report for errors. There may be errors on your credit report that are hurting your score. If you find any errors, you can dispute them with the credit reporting agency. Additional tips. Use a credit card responsibly. Don't charge more than you can afford to pay off each month. Get a copy of your credit report. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Monitor your credit score. There are a number of websites and apps that allow you to track your credit score for free. I hope this video has helped you understand TransUnion's credit score range. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And remember, the best way to improve your credit score is to be responsible with your credit. Thanks for watching.